Please subscribe. Cooking with oils. Everyone knows the foods to eat that improve health, although how we cook the food can be just as important. With there being so many oils and butter products claiming to be the best, it can be quite difficult to know which ones to use and which ones to avoid. 1. Canola oil. Canola oil is a popular oil, with many physicians claiming that it has the ability to lower the risk of heart disease. The oil is low in saturated fat, high in monounsaturated fat, and offers the best fatty acid composition when compared to other oils. You can use canola oil in sautéing, as a marinade, and even in low-temperature stir-frying. It has a bland flavor, which makes it a great oil for foods that contain many spices. Unlike other oils, this one won't interfere with the taste of your meal. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil offers a very distinct flavor with plenty of heart-healthy ingredients. The oil is rich in monounsaturated fat, helps to lower cholesterol levels and reduce risk of cancer. It's also rich in antioxidants and has a very long storage life. Even though it can be used in cooking, it's the healthiest when uncooked, such as with a salad or dipping sauce. When you use it with cooking, you should heat it on low to medium temperatures, making sure to avoid high heat. 3. Butter. Butter is one food that has been around for many, many years. Butter tastes good, and offers sources of vitamin A and other fat-soluble vitamins such as E, K, and even D. Butter is also made from natural ingredients and not chemically or artificially processed. You can use butter with cooking, baking, or even as a spread. You can also pair it with creamy sauces, marinades, baked dishes, or even bread. 4. Margarine. Margarine was first introduced as an alternative to high-fat butter. When it was first created, however, it was loaded with trans fat, a substance that we now know raises bad cholesterol. As a cooking oil, margarine tastes good, it's lower in fat than most oils and butter, and it's quite easy to spread. It's available in a variety of different products and a good source of vitamin E. When it comes to cooking with oils, there are several at your disposal. There are many more than what is mentioned here, although the ones above are the most popular. Eating healthy involves cooking healthy food, which is where your cooking oil really takes center stage. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.